Do you want to learn Wireshark? Well, here's 7 best Wireshark courses online, free plus paid. First course, Complete Wireshark course from level 0 to advanced for 2023 by Udemy. This course lays out a complete model to learn Wireshark from scratch and covers all the essential concepts as well. Topics covered are: install and setup, Wireshark fundamentals, mastering filters, advanced Wireshark, Nmap hands-on, networking fundamentals, packet analysis, protocol analysis, hack passwords, security tips, Wi-Fi security, SHUK. You will gain knowledge of Wireshark from 0 to advanced stage. You will study the fundamentals of Wireshark. You will learn to use Wireshark for hacking. You will study about various networking models. You will learn to use Wireshark effectively. The course is for anyone desiring to level up their job prospect by learning Wireshark skills. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, Getting Started with Wireshark, the ultimate hands-on course by Udemy. This course will enable you to learn Wireshark practically with the help of real-world examples. Topics covered are PCAP Lab, configuring Wireshark, filtering traffic, packet capturing, anatomy of packet, IP analysis, UDP analysis, TCP analysis, Wireshark troubleshooting. You will get hands-on working experience. You will learn troubleshooting issues of Wireshark. You will learn networking protocols. You will study filtering traffic in Wireshark. You will get to know where and how to capture packets. The course is for anybody wanting to learn Wireshark. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, the Complete Wireshark course, Go from Beginner to Advanced, by Udemy. This course is designed to teach you the skills of Wireshark from scratch. Topics covered are: setup and install, key functions, firewalls, unauthorized traffic, Wireshark CLI, SHUK, network card modes, Nmap, traffic monitoring. You will understand what Wireshark is all about. You will know the purpose of Wireshark. You will learn all the key functions of Wireshark. You will be able to install, set up, configure and run Wireshark like an expert. You will get direction to earn a Wireshark certificate. The course is for every entrepreneur interested to gain knowledge of Wireshark. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, Wireshark, Packet Analysis and Ethical Hacking, Core Skills by Udemy. This course is formed to learn the various techniques of Wireshark like packet analysis and ethical hacking. Topics covered are: Wireshark Basics, Wireshark Filters, OSI Model, Hacking Passwords, Hacking VoIP, Wireshark Tips and Tricks, Protocol Analysis, Python Wireshark Scripting, SHUK and Term Shark, Kali Linux, VTP Theory, Spanning Tree Theory, Port Span Theory, BGP Theory, DTP, CDP, Port Security, Wireshark Quiz Questions. You will get chance to understand different Wireshark techniques. You will learn troubleshooting networks. You will study doing ethical hacking with Wireshark. You will learn about Kali Linux. You will get to update your resume by adding Wireshark skills. The course is for individuals having passion for learning Wireshark techniques. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, Start Using Wireshark to Hack Like a Pro by Udemy. This course teaches you the foundations of network protocol analysis to start your hacking journey. Topics covered are: protocol analysis, network communication, TCP, IP foundation, first capture, capture files, packet captures, protocol communication, steps of professional hacking. You will learn ethical hacking techniques of Wireshark. You will get to know various packet capture methods. You will be able to know the key features of Wireshark. You will learn analyzing packet captures. You will study different steps of professional hacking. The course is for freshers wanting to acquire hacking skills. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Sixth course, the Complete Wireshark course, Beginner to Advanced by YouTube, free course. This course provides you a step-by-step guide to learn Wireshark from basics to advanced level. Topics covered are: Wireshark, basic terms and concepts, OSI model, installation and setup, Wireshark interface, IP and port filters, protocol filters, HTTP packet analysis, extracting credentials, capture remote traffic, Wireshark CLI, SHUK, Nmap, SSH tunneling. You will get to know Wireshark deeply. You will learn the purpose of using Wireshark. You will learn how to get started with Wireshark. You will study the Wireshark command line interface. You will learn about various network card modes. The course is for beginners wanting to kickstart their Wireshark knowledge from a free tutorial. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Seventh course, Wireshark Masterclass by YouTube, free course. This course gives you a chance to learn the fundamentals and different features of Wireshark. Topics covered are: fundamentals, capturing, DEMCAP, where do we capture, filtering, name resolution, the time column, statistics, extract files, IP addresses. You will learn the fundamentals of Wireshark. You will study filtering with Wireshark. You will learn how to extract files. You will get to know about the time column. You will learn map IP address locations with Wireshark. The course is for all of you looking forward to free training for learning Wireshark. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box, subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.